Ever pondered on the remarkable health benefits packed in the tiny, wrinkled, and often overlooked raisins? Well, if not, today is the day to shine a spotlight on this humble dried fruit. Here's a list of 6 compelling reasons to make raisins a part of your daily diet. 1. Say hello to a natural energy booster. Raisins are rich in natural sugars, vitamins, and minerals, making them an excellent source of quick energy. So, next time fatigue strikes, consider reaching for a handful of raisins instead of that cup of coffee. 2. Raisins are your heart's best friend. Packed with potassium, a mineral known for its heart protective properties, raisins can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. So, for a heart that beats strong and healthy, remember to include raisins in your meal plan. 3. Raisins are a boon for digestive health. They are high in fiber, which aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and keeps the digestive system in check. So, for a happy and healthy gut, raisins are the way to go. 4. Looking for a natural remedy for anemia? Look no further than raisins. They are rich in iron, which helps in the production of red blood cells. So, for a robust and healthy blood flow, make sure to munch on some raisins. 5. Raisins are a powerhouse of antioxidants. They contain phenolic compounds that fight against harmful free radicals, thus preventing aging, heart disease, and even cancer. So, for a youthful glow and a strong immune system, raisins are your go-to snack. 6. The benefits of raisins soaked in water are incredible. This method enhances the bioavailability of nutrients, making them easier for the body to absorb. So, for maximum health benefits, consider soaking raisins in water overnight and consuming them the next morning. To sum it all up, raisins are not just a tasty snack, they're a mini health package. They provide quick energy, support heart health, aid digestion, combat anemia, are packed with antioxidants. And when soaked in water, they provide enhanced benefits. So, if you're looking for a simple and effective way to boost your health, adding raisins to your diet could be a smart move. Remember, it's the small changes that often make the biggest difference. Enjoy the sweetness of raisins and reap their health benefits at the same time. Cheers to good health.